Happy Friday, y'all. So we are heading out tonight. We're heading out into the town to have a great time. I'm heading to a carnival event. So, I'm gonna vlog this event, okay? Hopefully the event is great and we're gonna have a good time. Let's get into the fit. So this fit, this top should look familiar. I've worn this like multiple times. This top is from Shein and I'm wearing a jeans pants actually. I'm not into the shorts like tonight. So I'm wearing this, long sleeve top, jeans and a sneakers. Let's just get into the mirror here. So this is the fit we're working with, and yeah, sneakers, jeans pants, and we're ready to go and hit the town. So hopefully again this event is great and we'll have a good time and we're ready to be outside, y'all. I hope you guys are gonna have a great weekend, and I hope y'all had a great week. So let's get into this vlog. Good morning, y'all. I am super excited. We are heading out on an adventure today. I haven't been to my favorite part of the island in a couple months, 3 months, because we're in March right now. So the last time I went to Portland, it was in December, I think, and now we're in March. I mean, it's time. So we're heading out on a river adventure today. Super excited. We are going to Somerset Falls and we're just gonna have a vibe today. I'm gonna vlog today and just show you guys, a nice Saturday, river day in Jamaica. So we're gonna head out. I already have on my swimsuit and I'm just wearing shorts. This swimsuit is from Shein. I'll drop it. Well, I don't even know if it's available. I had this probably like 3 years now or more, so I don't know. If I see it, I'll put it down if it's available. If it's not available, then y'all not gonna see the link. Anyways, let's head out. I'm so excited. I am super excited. I think I am missing something. Sunscreen, towel, all of that. Yeah, bag is all packed. Let's go. Hey guys, so just arrived at Somerset Falls. It's $1,500 to get in. I'm assuming $1,500 for adults. I'm not sure the price for children, but it includes, they have a pool, a slide, bar and restaurant, and they have a boat ride to the falls, which the fee is included. Music is playing, so let me head out of here. I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but let's head inside and see what's going on. I have to like stay far away from the music, y'all. So we're finished eating. We're gonna head to the falls. In order to get to the falls, you have to take a boat. Like I said, the entry price is included in that. So we're gonna walk around, go to the boat, and then the boat's gonna take us to the falls. Okay, so I'm a little bit outside of music so I can talk. This is gorgeous. Alright, so we need to head to the boat to get to the final destination. Let us go. So the last time I came here was probably like, I would think almost 10 years ago. Because I am, in my 20s I actually came here. That's crazy. Whew. But we are walking up to get to this boat. There's all the girls at the back. They need to catch up. Oh, there's a boat leaving. Let me show you guys the boat. We are heading into the river. This is so beautiful, y'all. What it says, 28 feet. We're heading into the boat right now so we can go around to the main waterfalls, and then we're just gonna chill there for the rest of the day. Let's go, y'all. Ready?
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap. Being flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah, pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the
Bye. I'll meet you there. I'm taking a shortcut.
We're leaving the falls. Yeah, we're tired. It's much work. Sea swimming. That falls. That falls was the shit, okay? That falls was the shit, and the staff, like, you definitely feel safe. We're just gonna chill for the rest of the day, but I definitely recommend y'all gotta come to Somerset Falls. So the day is over, y'all. We are heading out. It was such a great day, and yeah, y'all need to come to Somerset Falls. Definitely family friendly, and you know, still adult vibe. You have fun. So it's a Wednesday, so happy Wednesday to you guys. I think the last time you saw me, my niece, by the way, y'all should, you know, be familiar. If you're a long time subscriber, can you excuse me now? Thank you. Anyways, it's around what? It's pretty early, and I'm still working, and I have homegirl here with me. I'm gonna drop her home later, and I have a soca event to go to tonight. Super glad about that. So I'm thinking to probably do a get dressed, get ready with me type of vibe. So I really need to figure out what exactly I'm gonna wear and all of that. But just so you guys know, you know what? I'm looking crazy right now, but don't mind this. I won't be wearing any makeup. I just can't be bothered, more than likely. Yeah, no makeup. And I think if you guys realize, like, I just wear makeup occasionally. I'm not like down in the makeup world, you know. It's just too much work, and I mean, it's fine when you put it on and going out, but once you get back home, I just want to take off my clothes and just go to bed. Like, the process of removing the makeup is just too much for me, so hence why I don't really wear makeup and all of that. So yeah, so we'll probably do a little get ready with me later, and yeah, we're gonna see what the vibe is tonight. I'm going to a Frenchman event. It's a soca party, basically. So I'm super excited. And next week is Carnival Week in Jamaica leading up. Remember I told you guys that I won't be jumping. That kind of I think that has changed because, you know, I've actually thought about it and I'm like, I don't think I cannot be on the road. So more than likely I'm going to be on the road next week. If I get a free costume, you will see me in a costume. If you don't see me in a costume, then I will be getting a t-shirt. But yeah, I just honestly can't see myself not being on the road March Sunday for Carnival. So that's the vibe. So we're gonna have so much vlog next week. Kes the band is having a concert here. Like, he's my huzzy. Definitely going to his concert. So I'm booked for that. Well, I haven't bought the tickets yet, but I'm booked for that, and I'm booked for Road March Sunday. So there's like 2 other events that I see that I really want to go, but we're gonna see how next week goes. So look out for crazy Carnival vlogs. I'm just gonna put everything in one more than likely, and we're gonna have a ball next week. But tonight we're gonna do a get ready with me, and then we're just gonna see how this week goes. I hope you guys are doing well. This is midweek. This vlog probably comes on a Sunday, next week Monday. But we have so much things to do, and exam is coming up, and there's just so much stuff going on to be prepared. But yeah, be careful. But yeah, we're just gonna, you know, I'll catch you guys later once I finish working and chilling. And yeah, super excited for Carnival, y'all. Super excited.
I like Darby. I like Barbies. I like mangoes and stuff there. And after that, we're going to do a challenge. So we're going to count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to start counting to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 and 6 makes 6. Wait,
1 and 6
wait.
weeks. Hurry up and talk to the people so I can turn off this camera.
1 and 5 make 6.
Correct.
You're 22. You're 22. Tú atajando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22. Tú atajando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. Say you like to really ride. Girl, I really know your type is me. Wondering if you and I could be Kim K and Kanye crazy. Just maybe constant crazy with my lady. You got something that I'm interested in. Just maybe you're 22. Tú atajando. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22. Tú atajando.
We are ready for the fit, y'all, and let me get into this fit. This set, I can't remember if it's from my online store or Shein. I honestly don't remember, y'all, but it's a skirt set with this cute little slit right here, and I'm bumming it with the sneakers because we are heading to Ahsoka, you know, lime sort of. I mean, I can wear sandals, but I need a pedicure for that. But yeah, so this is the fit, and then I'm gonna, you know, use my white bag. So yeah, this is what we're working with. So my niece is still here, so I'm gonna drop her off, then we're gonna head to the fit. So I'll see you guys there. So just came off the shuttle, so we're just gonna head inside. Going to get it. There's my husband playing chess. super tired. Just getting home, so it's just time to just crash, even though I'm starving. I'm seriously hungry. I did not have enough cash on the, to stop to get some food. I wanted jerk chicken. I didn't want any, fast food. They have fast food places that are open at this hour, but I wanted jerk chicken. I didn't have enough cash, and I'm not gonna stop at any ATM to just drop money at certain hour. There's only one ATM I'm more than likely will trust to get some cash, and that's Constant Spring, and that's in New Kingston area. But already past that, when I decided, hey, like, it's time to get some food. But it's whatever. I'm gonna head to bed, and I'll catch you guys in the week. Hey guys, what's going on? It's a Friday, and just finished working, showered, and I'm gonna cook some nice shrimp and chicken pasta. Whew. So having me some pineapple juice and honey on a hungry stomach, by the way, so don't do that, don't follow me. But yeah, the last time you guys saw me was probably when I went to the soca event, and yeah, so today's a Friday, there's a couple days after that, and yeah, I'm just gonna chill here, not going anywhere on the road. My first event for next week, by the way, I think I did tell you guys this earlier, next week is Carnival week, starting week, what, the 1st, April 2nd? No, because there's events starting on the 1st. Well, there are events every day, of course, and there's events tonight, tomorrow, like some of those official Carnival events. So starting Monday, April 1, by the way, it is Easter weekend. It is Easter weekend, and I'm not being traditional and following what I'm supposed to do by having fish. Like, honestly guys, I totally forgot about it. Well, I knew it was Easter weekend this week, but I wasn't thinking about, what I should be eating and all of that. So I didn't get to, purchase anything. So that's bad on my end. But tomorrow, Saturday, I may go on the road and, probably just purchase, some fish, so I can at least have that for Saturday and Sunday coming up. So yeah, so starting next week, like I mentioned, we do have like soca events going on. So I should be going out on Tuesday, which is a carnival, what's it called? What's that? It's a carnival event on Tuesday. It's called Tabanka Tuesday. Then I'm going out on Thursday. I'm going to see Kiss the band in concert. I am super excited. I can't wait. And then Friday, I'm going to Bacchanal Friday. No, I haven't been to, it's not Bacchanal Friday, sorry, it's a Bacchanal Juve, and I have not been to a Juve, guys, in over 5 years. I haven't been to a Juve, a paint party, a powder party in so long. So I think this is the year for it. I need to get back into, well, I don't need to get back in any paint party, but I think I kind of missed it, so definitely going there. So I need to grab my tickets. I haven't grabbed my tickets as yet, so I need to figure those out. So I should be going on the road on Tuesday, so I'm gonna grab all of my tickets before that. And then yeah, Carnival Road March Sunday is April 7th, so we're super excited about that. I can't wait. I thought I saw something on my chicken. Yeah, so I'm super excited about that, and I can't wait, guys. So definitely look out for the vlogs for next week for Carnival week. And I have a surprise, y'all. My nose is sweating. I have a surprise. I won a t-shirt package today for Carnival Road March. So I will be jumping with Exodus. I'm so glad I won, y'all, because I never want to spend the money. Like, I literally did not want to spend any of my money. So I'm so glad. So I'll be jumping with Exodus. That's the band that I wanted to jump with, so I'm super excited. Ooh, ooh. So y'all gonna see me on the road in my t-shirt, no costumes this year. Again, it appears that it's going to be like a tradition, because last year it was t-shirts and this year is t-shirts. I'm gonna stick with that because it's less money, less money, even though I didn't, I'm not spending any money. But hold on, I have my pasta on the stove. Super excited. We are jumping with Exodus band. Ooh. I already put on the pasta for my pot, so I need to put some chicken, and we're gonna start preparing our Friday night dinner. Then of course we're gonna have a movie night. Of course, it's Friday. And I'm not going anywhere, so it has to be a movie. I'm gonna Netflix. Oh, I have final exams coming up in the next 3 weeks. So I need to prepare. I also have a group meeting tonight because school is a school stuff. So I need to confirm the time what I think they're meeting at 6 or 7 and it's like going to 5:30 now. So I really need to figure out, yeah, and just get that out of the way so I can eat and relax for the rest of the evening. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog so far. We went to the river, you know, went out in the week and all of that. So hope you guys like enjoy it. Sorry, let's jump into cooking this because like I am super hungry, super hungry. Alright, so my chicken was, you know, pre-seasoned from like probably 2 weeks ago. I had like burst in the fridge, and then I only have like onion and garlic, so this is what I'm working with. I definitely need to go to the grocery store. Next thing, you see my garlic, it's all like whole. Yeah, I love garlic. This is how I eat my garlic. Once I saute it, then I can, you know, it's good like that. Sometimes I do mince it, but most of the times I like it when it's whole. I just, you know, bore little holes in it and all of that, or sometimes I crush it out. But yeah. Pasta is finished, amen. I'm just gonna wash up everything that I used and then I'm gonna eat. So the only thing I will have left is just the dinner plate that I'll be eating also, because I don't want so much, you know, pots and pans while I'm eating. Like I'm like, once I'm finished eating my dinner, I just want to go relax, like to finish eating dinner and wash out the dishes at the same time. I'm like, no. So what I do is wash everything prior before eating, and whatever that I eat out of, then I can wash it after. It's just like a cup and a plate only, you know. So I need to just hurry up. My pasta smells so good, y'all. I definitely need to go to the supermarket because I didn't have like a lot of ingredients that I wanted to use, and I did have this in my fridge, like a pasta cream, but y'all, when it was already open and when I like smell it, it smelled curdled and it's just, oh yeah, it had a smell. Maybe this is what was smelling in my fridge, because each time I open my fridge, I like smell something and I clean it after I smell it. Like I did wipe up the entire fridge and I'm like, why the fridge keeps smelling like this? So maybe I'm glad I found a culprit. I'm super bad. So we need to work on washing them dishes here now. So I'm finished with the dishes, y'all, but I need to find my movie first before I go share my dinner. So, you know, I did see a movie on Netflix with Denzel when he was a pilot and supposedly he's an alcoholic and he crashed the plane and then he go prison. Yeah, I can't remember. It's TikTok, I found it on, you know, let me go check if I can find it back. I think I did save it. All right, let's see if I can find it. And I need to hurry up too because, you know, when you cook like, the pasta, what's it called, Alfredo pasta or whatever pasta, you know, once it gets cold, like everything is just, you know, it's not like creamy like that. So let me hurry up. What's the name of the show? I'm gonna have to Google. See, I didn't save it in my TikTok. So let me Google. Dental movie pilot alcoholic. I just put it like phrase words. Watch, an equalizer came up. That is not correct. Flight. It wasn't flight. It's not the flight. It was something. Oh yeah, but his life turned around when it's disclosed that he was a drunk while driving the plane. Oh, so it is Flight. You see? Okay, so it's Flight with Denzel Washington. So let's find that on our laptop. And by the way, y'all, how is your Easter going? I totally forgot to wish y'all happy Easter. How is your Easter going? Do you guys have any plans? Do you have plans with friends, with family? Are you going out? Are you staying in? What is happening? For all my Jamaican, you know, people, you know, today is Friday. Good Friday is a holiday, and then Monday, April 1st is a holiday as well. So I'm sure everybody's gonna, well, let's not, don't necessarily mean everybody, but you know, a lot of people are gonna be outside. There's a party we can keep in Ocho Rios called We Vacay. So yeah, it's a lot going on in Jamaica. Flight. What, this says 2012. What year did it release? Yeah, 2012. I have like two websites that I watch movie on. I watch one on Goojara, Goojara, and then I watch another one on watchmovies.nc. So both of them works for me, but sometimes it like depends on the movie. If the movie's like old, sometimes it like stops in the middle of the movie, which is like very annoying. So I think I'm gonna start watching it on Watch Movies first, because that's a little bit more reliable than Goojara. So let's bring it up. Then we're gonna have a movie date, y'all. Let me actually check the group, because remember I told you guys I have a meeting for an assignment for school. Let me see, nobody didn't respond. I am so annoyed. Listen, I am super glad that this semester is gonna be over. It's like soon. Just I have 3 assignments to knock out, and once that is done, then I'm off for a bit, and then here we go with summer semester. Can't wait to be finished, y'all. Literally can't wait to be finished. Yes, y'all, my TV's still on the floor, okay? And it's gonna stay there. It's gonna stay there until I buy something, or I may not buy anything. Who knows?